So hello everyone, welcome to Quanta AI Lab. So in this video, we learn about Higgsfield. In the past video, you see we create a lot of videos on Comfy UI or open source technology. Now we will see the closed source. This platform provide you the easiness how you can create a image generation, video generation. They have pre-built templates so you can make that. And you can create a viral reels for that. So in this video, we will start creating an AI influencer. Then we will see the different features of that platform, just like motion control in my studio and image generation, video generation, edits, upscale, skin enhancer, and all this. And in the last we will see the viral trend. We create the viral trend and we will see that thing. Okay, let's start the video from creating a AI influencer. You can just sign in this one, sign up over there, and just go to the on explore page. You will see all the templates they created. Once you click on the AI influencer, you will see these are the characters they are already provided. You can use that thing or you can create your one. You can select from here. So I want a human, female, Indian, beige, purple. These are the different characters you can select. Specification: adult, face, human, eyes, that is fine. There's mouth and teeth, I want small. You can make a 2 tongues also. And these are things: human skin, solid surface, yes. Okay, that's done. And we just hit generate and we will wait for it. So we got our character AI influencer. So if you don't like, you can make another one. If you want any edits, you can customize that also. Okay, but we will continue with that. So we will download that image. Now let's see what inside the motion control, and let's start with the image also. Okay, so if you go on the image, if you see here, there is a feature: create image, send my studio image, create storyboard. You can soul ID character. You can create your unique character after uploading a 3-4 images. Okay, relights if you want to adjust the lighting in the image. In paint, if you want to add something on a selected area, so you can add that. Image upscale, face swap, character swap, draw and edit, sketch to picture. If you have any sketch, you can convert into the picture. And these all are the features you can use. These are the models which is available in this particular creative tool, which is we called Higgsfield. So there is a Higgsfield Soul. So Soul is their particular model, and Higgsfield Popcorn. So they provided this as a service in this one. So these are the models created by Higgsfield. Nano Banana Pro is from the Google. Sea Dreams from ByteDance. GPT-5 1.5 is from the OpenAI company, and these are the different platforms. Okay, different models. So let's start with create an image. We already have an image, so let's use Nano Banana. So let me use one image, so this one. So we will add that. Okay, once it is done, we need one only. If you can change the size also if you want to, aspect ratio. If you want 4K, 2K, so let me select 2K. Batch size means how many image you want to generate. You can unlimited runs, you can select from here. Draw if you want to draw something on the image, and let's hit generate. We will wait for it. So while it is generating, I will tell you some models are provided image to image features also. Some is for the text to image only. Just like Z image is for text to image, where you write a text and you will generate the image. Okay, so here we got the image. We change the color of the top. Okay, let me download this one also. So the Nano Banana Pro is the image to image model or text to image also. So that's why we are able to change the color for the video generation. So if you see features, we have create video, studio, media, mix media, edit video is also there, turn product URL into the video ads directly, Sora to trends. These all the things they are provided. UGC video you can create from the avatar. Video upscale is also there, and here are the models which is provided by different sources, and if they have just like Higgsfield DOP, so they have their personal model also, so you can use that. So let's make a video using this one. So we can use the Kling 2.6, and let me upload the image. Audio 5 second. Yeah, you can use a 5 second or 10 second. Let me select 5 second. Add image. Let me add the image. So woman. Okay, you can write a prompt, enhance on. You can enhance the prompt, and we will generate aspect ratio. So some model provide audio also, so you can on and off the audio according to you. So let me generate 10-second video and hit generate. While it is generating, I will show you some of the things which they are providing. Just like these are the templates they are providing. Animation, giant grab. So these are the template which Higgsfield provided. So you can use directly that also. So we will see that thing, how we can use that. So let me select this one while it is generating, and okay, without writing a prompt, let me hit generate. So these are the things. Second is the edit video. You can upload a video and you can edit that particular thing also, just like modify, restyle, change angle and transformation. So once it is generated one video, we will see that thing. Motion control. What is motion control? Just like if you see here, open the library. Let me open the library for you. So you can control the motion. What, for example, if I record something like this and I do any actions, so that will transfer in that particular image. Let's wait for our video generation. So while it is generating, let's see other things. Just like edit is there, edit videos, inpainting, relighting, AI styles and AI skin enhancer. You can skin enhance the skin, generate different angles. So let me show you that also. Let me upload the one image, this one only. Okay, and generate all angles and done. So it will generate all this image from different angles. So this is the top view, this is side view. If you see this one, side, top. Okay, now you got this thing. You can upload the folder, just like new folder. You can create your own folder also. Create a new folder with the name Quanta Assets. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's go for Quanta Assets. If you want to animate, you can click directly animate. It will go to the video generation model. So let me show you that. So these are the in processing. Okay, just like this video is done.
Just capturing the moment. Feeling good today.
So you see this video, how we created using that. Just a prompt.
Oh!
So you can use these templates also, just like we use this one. So if you want to change the motion, edit video, you can edit the video also. Let me add the video. Let me restyle this particular video. Let me cancel this. It is downloaded. Let me use this one.
Just capturing the moment.
Okay, so I want to, let's restyle this one. Change the style to Lego. So while it is generating, we will see another things, just like we already see the edits. So these are the edit feature they are providing. They use Nano Banana inpainting, also Nano Banana Pro for inpainting and all. Topaz for upscaler, Kling for motion control. If you want to control any motion of any video, so you can use that one. Advanced video editing also they are providing using Kling O1. Let me click on edit, so you will see multi angles. We already see you can create your character. You required a 4 images of yourself and just upload it here, just like this. Upload 20 plus best photos of for best result. So you can upload more than 20, so for the best results, and you can create images around that. Okay, we will see in paint. This is in paint. Let's talk about the cinema studio. This is the new feature they talk about. For images they are providing, so that would be visible for you. So for image generation there are two features, like video generation, image generation. The models are already same, we already see these models, but now in this one they are providing you can upload the images on all this stuff. Here they are providing the camera. If you want to use different camera, you can learn about these camera using ChatGPT and all this stuff, when to use which one. Lenses is also provided, focal length and all, aperture and all, so you can use that one. Okay, you can, if you don't know about how to use that, you can use ChatGPT for that. And videos, you don't see this thing, you required starting and end frame, that's the major part. So in Cinema Studio, you will see different batch sizes. Already we talk about, you can change the aspect ratio and the image quality. If you select the video, you need starting frame and end frame. In the last, we will see you can use starting frame and end frame while creating the viral videos. So movement, they are providing different camera movement. You can use that, just like static, zoom out, zoom in and all this stuff. So you don't need to write manually. And it has the different aspect ratios, or with audio, without audio, slow motion and not slow motion, yeah, the batch size and all this stuff. Okay, so next we have the motion control, which we already see. If you want to use, let me upload any character over here. Let me use mine to generate. So this is the video and this is the character. We use the control. So both the videos in queue we will see in the last. Next we will see the AI influencer. We already see how you can create a AI influencer, just like we created. Assistant, if you want any assistant, you can use that thing, just like it is like a ChatGPT only. You can change the model over here. Now the main feature is app, where you see different use cases, most popular app and all this. Just like it's like a blog section for this creative tool. Okay, so the transition is also there if you want to make a transition. So angles, if you want you to generate image in different angles, which we already see. AI stylist, you can change the clothes according to that, so we can use that one. Let's try it out. So let's take an example and let's use this one, and we will generate it. It is in the queue, we will wait while it is generating. Let's see the another one, which is transition. So okay, these are all the transition you can use so to create a viral videos. So which one do you like? Just comment below. So which transition you can use for your videos. So let me use this one, air blend. So first we need to remove this particular girl from this place, and then we will add. Let me use edit for the image, Nano Banana Pro. So we will see these are the things which we do in the AI stylist. We change the color of the clothes, we change the clothes of that particular character. Okay, so this is one thing, it is in the process. Other thing which we created in videos process, it takes a lot of time, the motion control and all this stuff. While it is generating, we will see in the image. So it takes some time to generate. So these are the some things, just like relighting. You can relight the particular image. Click on the add, so you can, if you want to use, just click on this one. And
I love using this face cream every morning.
okay, so let's build something from this, and we copy this one and continue. So it connects to the website, extracting the product images, finding brand colors, locating logos, processing details, finally get product kit. Okay, so these are the things they are doing, so it is good. While it is generating, we will see other things, relighting, zoom and all this stuff. You can see it will zoom your particular single image into the 9 different zoom levels, unique shots from single image, and explore 8 narrative possible from one scene. If you upload one scene, so it will create 8 scenes from this. It is uncut. You can place at different location, change the clothes, making a videos, turn one selfie into instant outfit reel. You can change the clothes. Any clip to this sticker animation, you can change that thing if you have any clip. This is the for the clothes change. You can transform yourself into the style life simulation just like this. So these are the apps Higgsfield provide. You can explore that by going on their platform. So it is the easy tool, I will see. So a lot of things we are also built from these things. Or we always don't use comfy UI. Some of the things which is easy to use, we can use that thing. That's why we have access of all the model at a same place. So that is the most important. So let's see our, yeah. So this is changed to the Legos.
Just capturing the moment. Feeling good today.
So finally we see how we change the restyle this thing, and we change the style to Lego, so it changed perfectly. And we will wait for this particular cling motion transfer. While that trending videos which we created, we need to remove the, yeah, we required image. So we required a first frame for that. It is in the queue. Okay, so asset library, we will see my assets which I created. So this is also done.
Just capturing the moment.
So this is amazing. Yeah, so you can create the motion control like this, and this is the clothes change. You can change the clothes of any character. This is what we required for the first frame, and this is the different angles you can generate the image for. And one more question in this video: if you want to create the different angles from any of the open source tool, which tool you can select? Just comment below. So while it is generating, we will see how you can create viral hooks for that particular video if it is not in the template. Okay, so first we need to create images for first frame or last frame for the video. Just like there is a one viral video from the sky flying, reels are going viral a lot, so we will create that. So let's use my image itself in this one. Just copy this prompt and generate this one. We need to change 9:16. So now you need to use this particular image. Just download this image or use that, but directly from here if they are providing from the asset. Yeah, you need to download. Just download that image and just use this prompt. Just use this prompt and just generate the second image. So if you have a marketing agency or creative agency, you can use these AI tools. It will solve your a lot of work which is created by After Effects or the Blender. A lot of things it can replace, and it will increase the productivity of your work. So once it is created, the second image, now we use the first frame, last frame. Okay, let's use the Cinema Studio for that. Okay, this is our end frame, and we can write this prompt. It should be 10-second video on and all this stuff, and just hit generate. And you can use from Kling 2.0. So this is our transition which is created now. So this is amazing. You can use directly these apps to create a lot of things. Now the AI filmmaking is also changing a lot. The methods we are using previously, now they are also changing. And the last video which we created for in the Cinema Studio, it is also generating. So you will get this type of output after this. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you everyone.